Hello. Welcome to Miss V's Corner. In today's video, I will show you how you can make an animated Bitmoji header. You're going to make this animated Bitmoji header using Google Slides, and then you're going to put it through a website called Tall Tweets in order to make it into a GIF. Then when it's a GIF, you can put it on your Google Sites, Google Slides, or as a header, or anywhere you want it to be. This is fun, this is educational, it's entertaining for yourself, and it's entertaining for your kiddos and your audience. Hope you stick around to learn how you can make this. Okay, so we're here today so I can show you how you can make a GIF, little Google Slides GIF like this. So you can include them in your class app or substitute apps. You can also include it in your Google Sites if you have your own website. They're very versatile. They're fun to play. You can spend many hours creating these, but they're fun and entertaining for yourself and for your audience. Here's the other GIF that I've made. This GIF also has me at the very end holding my hand up and holding myself. So I'm going to go and click on the blank one. And first I'm going to put the title, header, YouTube. Now I don't need this, so I'm going to drag my mouse over it and then click delete and then delete it. Now, File, Page Setup, you need to change your page setup to 16 by 4 inches. Apply, and then it looks like this. Let's go to background and choose a Google image, wall, and floor, background. There are many choices, but I'm going to stick with this one right here. Insert, and done. Now, I first want to put the title, so I'm going to insert word art. I'm going to type up Miss V's Corner. Enter. I'm going to change the font. I want to make a different color, so I'll click right here on Gradient and click on Custom. So I'm going to change this color into maybe green. And maybe add another color, but this color I want it to be maybe blue. And I want to add another color, and this color I might want it to be this blue. And let's see, linear or radial. Let's stick with linear. Okay, I'm okay with this. I'm going to make the border white, but make it extra thick because I want it to look like as if it's a sticker on this particular page. This does the trick. If you go to drop shadow, change the color to black and make the transparency 0, that makes it really kind of pop up on this particular page. Change the position wherever you want it. Center page, center stage, and that's it. I'm okay with this. Since I'm a music teacher, let me insert some images. Let me insert piano, transparent. There are many pianos, but for the sake of time, let me just choose this one. Maybe I want it on this side, so I'm going to rotate it and put it right here. Maybe make it smaller, drop shadow. That's it. Maybe I'll put a couch. Maybe a red one. Double click. Change. Kind of crop it. Crop the sides. Do I need a couch here? I don't know. It's totally up to you. Let's not complicate it. Let's just leave the couch right here as it is. Drop shadow. Here we go. And then I want a Bitmoji of myself. For this particular Bitmoji, I want myself to be kind of running. So I'm going to click on my Bitmoji extension and click pose. And there's the person running. I'm going to drag myself here, drop shadow, make it dark, and put myself right here. Make sure that you are ordering bring to front, and that it is. And then I'm going to move it because as the slides come up, I'm going to be running across here. But then at the very end, I'm going to include a picture of myself kind of holding my hand up, and I'll show you that picture. And then I'm going to kind of jump up on my own hand. So I'm going to duplicate this side, but this is where the kind of the tedious work begins. Now these two slides, as you see, I'm going to the left. They're absolutely the same. In this slide, this Bitmoji needs to be moved. So I'm going to, do a little math and count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move the arrow to the right because I'm exact like that. I'll duplicate the same slide and then move this one again. 5. I'm going to speed up the process so this doesn't look like it's, 20 minutes of me moving things. Here, I want to replace this one and put another Bitmoji of me sitting. So I'm going to put this one right here and we'll replace it with this one. Let me see what it looks like. Here I'm walking, here I am sitting. Maybe make myself a little bit smaller. Okay. I'm going to duplicate this one for maybe 2 more because I want to keep myself kind of sitting. And then I'm going to duplicate it again and delete this one and go back to the walk. So let me see where I was. Can make it a little bit closer. Duplicate the slide. Duplicate the slide. Let me check to see what it looks like from the beginning. Okay, I'll continue. I'm happy with what I'm saying. Okay, so for this one, I want to insert a picture of myself that I have holding my hand up. This is the original one, and then I went to removebg.com, and I want to rotate it this way so I can actually fit on my own hand. Drop shadow because I like everything to be kind of, let's see what it looks like with white. Now let's keep it with black. And then eventually I want the me to jump on my own hand. So I will duplicate the slide. And as I'm approaching my hand, I want to make sure that it's bring to front. So I actually am in front of my hand. And I'm jumping up. And I'm going to then replace this one with another pose, but I want to be waving. Maybe not waving, but kind of jumping. Let's make sure it's all the same size. I'm going to delete this one and move myself here. Okay, let's go check out what it looks like. I'm just going slide down, down arrows through the slides. Okay. I'm happy with this. I could add more, but that will be more, tedious work. But for the purpose of this video, let me just keep it this way. Select presentation. That's the recent one that I've worked on. Double check and let's let it do its own magic. Okay, sometimes it takes 2 minutes, sometimes it takes 5 minutes, depending on the amount of slides you have. GIF image, let's keep it 1200. Slide duration, let's go 0.2 because I want it a little bit faster. Sequence of slides, keep it the way it is because I want all the slides in. Click create GIF or GIF, and then let's see what it has prepared for us. And that is what it would look like. If you want it slower, you can change this to 0.345. If you want faster, 0.1. Oh, that's too fast. Or we can keep it like that. Let me go with 0.2. And I'll click Save the GIF. Choose where you want it. And this is our GIF that we just created. If I want this to be included in our Meet the Teacher presentation or Meet the Teacher app, all I would do is click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. You would find your GIF. This is the one that we just made. And I would just insert it and place it wherever I want it here on my app, my Google Slides presentation as a GIF. Okay, I hope you have had fun learning how to make your animated Bitmoji header, and I hope you get to make it and use it in your multiple presentations using Google Slides, class apps, substitute teacher apps, or all of those fun things that I've already told you how to make. Thanks for watching. Bye.